Hi there, Mom Kai here. And for today's video, we're going to talk about brainstorming. Brainstorming is a compound word. So we have two words here, brain and storming. Brain is the CPU of the human body. It's the central processing unit. Its role is to control thoughts and emotions. Storming, on the other hand, means outstanding or impressive. It may also mean making actions. So what do we mean by brainstorming? Brainstorming means you storm or search your brain for ideas, working out your brain cells. It is a way of expressing ideas in a group. Brainstorming is primarily a group of activities in which everyone shares ideas as quickly and freely as possible, making no judgments about which ones are good or bad, sensible or silly. So brainstorming is a method of generating ideas and sharing knowledge to solve a particular problem or to talk about a certain topic. It is also a technique for problem solving that involves the contribution of ideas. It's a group discussion to produce ideas and talk about certain issues. So the following steps are what we should consider if we want to conduct a brainstorming session. Number one, brainstorm first on your own by writing your own ideas on your paper. So better to have your own pen and paper to write down or to free write whatever comes into your mind. Number two, this is the part where you start sharing your thoughts and your ideas within the group. Number three, let your classmates give their own comments. Let's all be open with criticism because it might better us. Number four, give suggestions if needed. Number five, listen to your classmates' ideas because you can learn something from them as well. Number six, write down ideas very quickly. Number seven, do not worry about how useful the ideas will be. Number eight, do not worry about grammaticality, organization of ideas, and punctuation marks. And number nine, do not worry about neatness and correctness. Besides, we're brainstorming. The next slide that we have shows the 4 stages of brainstorming. We have pre-writing, drafting, revising and proofreading, publishing, and presenting. Pre-writing is the stage where you should determine your purpose, your goal. This is where you should do your research and also where you gather data. Drafting is the part where you start writing. Revising and proofreading, this is where you should get feedbacks, criticisms, and judgments. You might also need professional help. And lastly, once everything seems fine, it's now ready for publishing and presenting. Now we have examples of brainstorming activities. We have cubing, mapping, looping, and clustering. Let's discuss each. As a cube has 6 sides, you also have 6 tasks if you want to do this technique. Either you have to describe it, compare it, associate it, analyze, apply, or argue the topic that you have chosen or that you are talking about. Next, we have mapping, or also known as mind map. This is a visual representation of your ideas, consisting words, images, and colors. As you can see here on our illustration, it starts with the main idea, then adds branches with synonyms, related topics, and examples. Next one, my favorite, looping. Why? Because looping is a free writing technique. It's like doodling or scribbling, and it allows us to focus on our ideas continuously. Lastly, we have clustering. Clustering is associating or association among ideas. So we have two words. The first word that we have is war, and related topics or related ideas to war are the following. We have death, destruction, metal pierces skin, and so on. So again, clustering is about association among ideas. So that's it about brainstorming. And if you think that this video has helped you in any way, don't forget to like and subscribe. You can also share this with your friends. And again, thank you so much and hope to see you again on our next one. Goodbye.